A new planetarium show and exhibition at the Reuben H. Fleet Science Center begins this Saturday. The new show is called Black Holes, The Other Side of Infinity, and the new exhibition, Black Holes, Space Warps and Time Twists. Joining me to talk more about black holes and the exhibition are Mary Dussault, Instructional Systems Specialist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, and Dr. Jeffrey Kirsch, Executive Director of the Reuben H. Fleet Science Center. Thank you both for being here. It's a lot to get out there. A mouthful.
Great to be here.
So, Mary, remind us about why black holes have remained such a mystery to us and what they can tell us about space.
Well, I think black holes, they remain mysterious. They were an object that was predicted by Einstein's theories of general relativity and gravity long before they were actually known to exist in nature. And in fact, now astronomers are finding them everywhere in our galaxy and galaxies beyond. And I think they can teach us a lot about the nature of gravity and the nature of space and time, because they're such extreme objects. And as the title of the exhibition says, they do warp space and twist time. So.
And Dr. Kirsch, there's something different about this particular show, isn't there? You have new equipment.
Yes, this is the first completely digital planetarium show that we'll be able to show, because we've never had a completely digital projection system that was capable of operating at high resolution, which we're doing now. It's essentially 4 times HD resolution.
So how will the experience be different then for somebody who goes to see this? How will it feel different or look different?
Well, it will look different in a number of ways. First, it's so bright that the stars will appear right away. Usually in planetarium shows you have to wait a while until your eyes darken that. And the ability to show a full dome show, which this is, means it's going to engulf you much more than the standard IMAX, which we're still operating, of course, at the fleet. And this gives you a totally different way of appreciating particularly geometric objects and things that have enormous size or very small size. And in this case, we're talking about the universe, we're talking about galaxies, and we're talking about black holes. How could you possibly get a feeling for it? Well, it's the goal of the planetarium system is to give you that feeling for it, because that's what excites people, not only lay people, but also scientists, that these things are so different and so imposing that you're able to see that this is truly revolution in physics that has emerged in the last century, and the new century is going to be something even bigger and better.
Mary, do you think by having this experience, people will maybe feel less intimidated maybe by the subject when you can go and experience it in this way? Because black holes, I mean, you know, it can be kind of overwhelming, the topic.
Yes, well, I think the two separate experiences are really complementary. Mm-hmm. The immersive theater show, Black Holes, The Other Side of Infinity, and then the exhibition in which you get to take control of your own learning. And so in that exhibition, we try to place the museum visitor as a black hole explorer. So you don't have to be an expert coming in. You aren't expected to be an expert. You're expected just to be an explorer and to be curious. And the exhibition has a lot of different activities and exploration stations where you can examine images that astronomers have taken that show evidence for black holes, or models of how black holes behave. So I think that aspect of the exhibition makes it accessible. And then when you go in the exhibit, you actually, the way you become a Black Hole Explorer's card is by creating your own Black Hole Explorer's ID card. I should have brought one. You choose a nickname. My nickname is Galactic Seeker. You have choices of names. And you get a laser barcoded card, which you use at the interactive activity stations, and you collect your digital discoveries. So you can collect an image that you really liked at an exhibition of an X-ray telescope image of an object, of a black hole. Or you can make your own voice recording of a conclusion that you made about what black holes are like. And all those digital artifacts that you collect in the exhibition, your own voice. There's another station where you can take a video of yourself as you're in a...
This is incredibly interactive, isn't it?
It's very interactive, yeah.
So we haven't got a lot of time left, but we want to make sure people know how to get more information, because this starts this weekend, doesn't it?
It does, on Saturday. Both shows begin on Saturday.
The show opens this Saturday. There'll be 2 shows daily, and sometimes 3. And also the exhibition, we've actually been cheating a bit. We started it because it was such well designed that it went in earlier than we anticipated. So we've been getting our staff accustomed to it, as well as the visitors, and the reviews are in it. It's very, very powerful combination.
We'll have to leave it there, and we'll let the people at home know. They can go to actually our website, kpbs.org, where we have links to both your websites, and they can find out more information. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you.
Our pleasure. Thank you.